Hi everybody, just want to give you a quick comparison video of the YETI Jr cups versus the Stanley Jr cups. Both are great quality, both holds cold water, super long, probably 24 hours and a little bit more maybe if you put a lot of ice. But why we bought Stanley is because with the car seats and everything, this does not fit in the car seat, whereas this one fits perfectly. This is just perfect for the car seat, and the cup holders, this doesn't even fit my cup holder in my car, so it's perfect. The only con about this one is if you spill it like that, the water will come out, whereas the YETI, it will not, because you have to have this open for the water to come out. So it's spill proof. For us, this one is not. But the reason that we, like what I said, the reason we got this is because the bottom is smaller and it fits in cup holders. This one doesn't, and it just rolls around the car. But I like both products for different uses. When we go to the parks, when we walk around, this is what my kids uses. When he goes to school, this is what he uses. But when we go for like long car rides, this is what they put in their car seats. Both are amazing products, and I highly recommend both.